Welcome back here on Good Day Kansas, our Let's Grow It segment today from their Cambridge location at Stutzman's. We're talking all about summer annuals and those heat-loving plants. Someone also loves the heat. Ben Miller.
I do, but not so much when it's triple digits.
No, not as much.
That's Kansas.
But all of us need water,
You got it. We send out a memo to our managers, be sure you stay hydrated.
Yeah.
Personally, even before the plants.
Yes.
But I love this time of year, Avery, because it comes out, we come out with production of colorful material that just really does do well in our summer heat.
Yeah.
And I just got a little collection here. This is a 5.5-inch pot, which is a little bigger than what we would have in the spring. But the cannas are amazing. They're perfect for maybe that little taller spot. And these will get quite a bit taller as they have the ability to expand their roots.
Love that color too.
And there's a number of different colors with that.
Really? Okay.
Angelonia, another one that just almost can't get too much heat. The celosia, and there's the coxicomb type, and we have this in a couple different colors, but really a neat, and some of my absolute favorites is, I slip around here, the lantana. There's been a lot of breeding done in the last number of years that really has lantana in a more compact growth to where it's not maybe so stringy, that really work well in containers along with other stuff. We have patio planters here that have, like right here, we've got, if you can zero in here a little bit, both lantana, coleus, and that's a sun-loving coleus, and of course the vinca in with that, in all kinds of different colors. It's just really, really cool.
Yeah.
One of my favorite little guys, and this is relatively new to the industry, it's a type of vinca. It's called kiwi.
Kiwi.
Kiwi. It's a series, and when you look at the flower, you think, well, it's maybe not real significant. But the amazing thing is when you get them planted and they get to growing, that is just a mound of beautiful colors, and just really, really perform very well.
Yeah. What else do we have up here in the front?
More of the different types of the vinca.
Vinca, okay.
More of your raspberry color. Oh, here is one, the Crossandra. This one here really, really handles heat very, very well. It's more of a glossy leaf.
Okay.
We'll often get asked for it early in the spring, and it's just not happy with temperatures at that point. But now, along with this, all summer long we'll have manager specials, that kind of come and go with different things that we got going on. Leave that a lot to them.
Yeah. Well, tell us how people can get their hands on some of these heat-loving plants, where you're located.
All of our stores, we're through central Kansas and western Kansas, have the collection like this.
Yeah.
And we'll be having more other product coming out as we're coming on through summer.
Yeah.
But it's just an awesome time. Sometimes I say our garden centers actually look prettier as we come into the heat because of some of the colors that are available.
Yeah, yeah. Well, we always love coming by here, Ben. Always great to see you. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
We have more Good Day Kansas coming up after this break.
This segment of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's Greenhouse. From their garden to yours, expect success with Stutzman's.
We would like to say thank you to everyone who has shared and enjoyed the healthy lifestyle of gardening with us. Hi, this is Ben Miller. It's still Stutzman season. It's time to add or freshen up with our beautiful heat-loving summer plants that are now in stock at all our garden centers. These plants will pair perfectly with the planted flowers or enjoy them as stunning patio planters or hanging baskets. Just arrived, gorgeous tropical houseplants plus cactus plants for your patio or home. Visit one of our garden centers or find us on Facebook or Stutzmans.com.
At Stutzman's Greenhouse, everything's green.